Hello friends, I'm back with my YouTube channel with a new video on June LeetCode challenge. So today's question is insert, delete, get random in O1 of time. So we have to design a data structure that support all the following operation in average O of 1 time. So the first operation is insert. Basically we have to insert the item into data structure, then remove the item into the data structure and return a random element from current set of elements. Each element must have the same probability of being returned. So this is the question. So for insert and remove, so now we think how can we think about this problem, how can we solve this problem. This is like so in average O of 1 time, insertion and removal. So basically we think of only one data structure, that is hash map. So in hash map we can insert a value in O of 1 time and remove a value in O of 1 time. Then get random. So for get random we have to think about another data structure, that is array, I think. So array. So with these two data structure we can design a data structure that suppose these three operation in O of 1 time. So we can insert a value in O of 1 time, then remove a value in O of 1 time using hash map, then get a random element in O of 1 time using array. So let's see how can we do this. First we have to initialize our both data structure, array and hash map. So basically hash map is for storing the index of the data structure, every element, so that we can access it from our array easily in O of 1 time. So this randomize set is basically we are initializing the variable, that's not required. So first operation is insert. So we have to insert the operation and insert a value to the set, returns true if set did not already contain the specified element. So let's see if, so first we have to check if the following element is present or not. If present, then we just have to return false as the question says. If not present, then we have to insert this value. So first we have to insert the value of this value of nums, this value to the array. As I said before, I am inserting the value in the array and inserting the index in the map. So now we have to insert value, index of the value, that is insertion in the back of the array, nums dot pushback. So the value of this is basically the nums dot size of the last element of the array. Then we just have to return true because this is not present, and return false. So now we have implemented our insert operation. Now we have to implement a remove operation. So return true if set contain the specified element. Okay, so we have to check again if it is present or not. If it is present, then we have to delete it. So now I have to delete from array at O of one time. How can we do that? We can use hash map for that. Like, first I have to put my current element to the mapping of current element to the mapping of last element of the array, and then I have to change the nums of value, that is nums of the map of value to the last element, to the map to the last index of the element. So it is really confusing. Let's implement the code, and then after that I will explain to you. So last is equal to nums dot back. Sorry. So what I am doing, I am just changing the map of index. I am just changing the index value of the last element to the index value of the value current value element. Then I have to change the map nums of map of current value to the last value, so that we are exchanging the values of last index and the value specified element of specified element index. Sorry about that. So now we can just pop back from the array and erase from the map also, and return true. In this way we can do it in O of one time. So now we just have to implement our get random function. That is, we just have to return nums of rand nums dot size. That's it. I think that's it. So in this way every element has same probability of getting the random value. Okay, this is the solution in O of one time. This is a great question to work on. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.